Can you do me a favor, please, and pay attention? I hope that you tried to do this question. Okay, so if you look at this question, we are given that FE is parallel to DC and DE is parallel to BC. Also, the length of AF is given, of DF is given, and the length of AE is also given. Okay, so the first question says, determine with reason the length of EC. Now, the length of EC is going to be from here up to there. Okay, now when you want to apply the proportion theorem, the first thing that you must do, identify the triangle that you are going to use the proportion theorem in. Identify the triangle first. So if I want to determine the length of EC, the best triangle that I can choose from this diagram is going to be triangle ADC or triangle ACD. So first thing that I'll do is to write in triangle A, well, let me write it as ACD. I hope you can all see triangle ACD. So you identify your triangle first. Inside that triangle, there has to be a line which divides its two sides proportionally. Okay? And in this case, the line which divides the two sides of the triangle proportionally is going to be FE. Okay? And that line is parallel to DC. Therefore, I can use the proportion theorem. The good thing here is that I can apply it based on the original proof. So because of that, I can write AF over FD. Please be aware that FD is the same as DF. Okay? So you can write it the way you prefer. It's going to be equal to AE divided by EC. Okay? AF over FD is going to be equal to AE over EC. Then you must write the reason. My reason is line parallel to one side of triangle. Okay? That's my reason. Normally you get a mark for that reason. Yes. Yeah, I'm doing 1.1.1. Yes. I'm doing 1.1.1. Okay. So if you prefer to write proportion theorem, then you state the lines that are parallel, it's fine. So for this question, you write proportion theorem, then you must state that FE is parallel to DC. Okay. Then the good thing is this question here it's so easy. So you just substitute AF, which in this case is equal to 4 units, so 4 centimeters. Then DF is equal to 6, and AE is equal to 8. All right, this is over EC. Okay, now you need to know that to carry on here, either you cross multiply, you make EC the subject, or if you know your maths very well, you can swap the 4 and EC, then you take this 6 multiplied by 8, so that you get EC equal to 8 times 6 over 4, right? 8 times 6 is 48, you divide that by 4, you get the 12. Okay? So EC is going to be 12 centimeters. Okay, let me just let you know that your upcoming match control test, right? There is no way that you will get an A without knowing your proportion theory. There is no way. So some of you who have got some attitude, I don't know, whatever the attitude is for, or maybe you have some personal problems or whatever. If you are going to make me smile, you have to know your proportion theory. Okay, I'm letting you know now. Okay, what I'm going to do, because of time, okay, I'm going to carry on from here. Okay, I don't have time because I need to sanitize. I've got learners who are writing a test. So what I'm going to do, listen carefully, I'm going to carry on from this question, but I'll give you another question to do. Okay, maybe two more questions. So tomorrow, I'll carry on from here, but I'll give you homework on the proportion theorem. Right, let's clear our desks.